Hi there, I'm your Toyota driver's companion. My name is Joya, and I'm here to turn your 2021 Toyota Sienna Owner's Manual into an interactive, voice-driven experience. Sienna is an incredibly versatile and stylish vehicle, built for hauling your gear, long road trips, and bringing your family and friends along for the ride. I'll be more than happy to guide you through your car's essentials, and non-essentials too. Think of me as your Sienna sidekick. Step by step, we will talk through setting up a comfy riding position, and help you to navigate your dashboard.
Joya, how does bird's eye view camera work?
Right away. I can show you in detail how the most exciting features of your car work. Did you think this was just show and tell? Oh no. I can play a quiz with you, show you features from all kinds of perspectives, and best of all, I can give you information and entertainment at the same time.
Alright, what else is there to know?
Well, you probably would be curious to know what's going on under the hood. I'm powered by Google Cloud, which allows you and me to have a conversation. And my voice sounds much more human, thanks to artificial intelligence and machine learning. I cannot wait to share this experience with you. So, let me ask you one question. Are you ready?